Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2023 Ram 1500 Longhorn Crew Cab in bright white. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, power running boards, panoramic sunroof, multifunction tailgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7774.